most moral man at the United Nations was murdered for trying to stop a war. It's 1961, Northern Rhodesia. The Swedish Secretary General transforms the UN from a talking club into a real peacekeeping force. He sends troops to Congo, and Belgium tries to keep control through puppet leaders. He stands up to Britain and France as they fight African independence. He believes the UN should protect the weak, not serve the powerful. Mining companies watch their profits disappear as he brings peace to chaos. Western governments see him as a dangerous idealist who threatens their African interests, but he won't stop. He flies personally to Katanga province to negotiate with the rebel leader Moise Tshombe. Then his enemies make their move. His plane approaches Ndola Airport through a violent storm. The aircraft suddenly plunges from the sky, killing everyone aboard. Evidence points to sabotage, but the investigation stalls. Mining executives celebrate privately as Congo tears itself apart again. The man who tried to give the UN a conscience was Dag Hammarskjöld.